Good morning, guys. Hope you're all okay. Here we are, local. If you've read it, I think I've got some form of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. It doesn't happen all the time, it's just every now and then. I mean, yesterday, when I tried to actually walk, it actually hurt to move my legs. So, yeah, weird. It's not too bad today, so I thought, right, instead of going to Mullion, we'll do local. I won't torture myself. I'm also trying a slightly different camera position here today, so I don't know how it's going to come out until I preview the video, but let me know if you like it or not. But it's just a little bit lower. I don't know. I'll have to see later. But yeah, please look before you cross. Thank you. But yeah, just a bit of Camborne Red Ruth. I even think I'll give Patrice a miss out today. Got the new battery. That's in. So that's all tickety-boo now. That's done. And I was going on about the fitment charge being quite expensive. I was right, they do dispose of the old battery, so that's probably why that's so expensive. It's probably most of that charge is disposal. Right, let's go this way, and then I can go past the school, and I can show you what they're doing just before the main street. Well, it is the main street. We've got it all dug up. Oh, look, it's one of those new electric camper vans. They're pretty cool. I wouldn't buy one, but they are pretty cool. I'd rather have one of the older ones, you know, with the split screen windows at the front. They are cool. I had a mate that had one of those, and we used to... Oh, sorry, school kids. I had a mate that had one of those, and we just used to cruise around Newquay in summertime. He used to drive. He had a captain's chair which used to swivel right around. I don't know if that was good for driving, but... And I used to pile in the back and just sit there with the door open, the back door. It was one of the slightly newer Volkswagen vans that had a sliding door, and we used to just sit there, gawking at everybody. Hello. Horrible rap music playing, trying to look desperately to look cool. Oh, they've surfaced it since. And he's off. You do know, mate, that's a girl's bike. Ooh, look, smooth. They still can't get the drains flush. I mean, how hard can it be to get the drains flush? Those were. I'll give them credit for that. Those were. This is nice. Smooth. Ow. Crumb. Ah, this is nice, this. I wonder how long it'll be before they start digging this up again. Yeah, so I was going to show you what they were in the middle of doing, but apparently they've done it. And change. Change? Now. If I reach for my water... Oh, there you go. Well, see, every time. I wonder how busy town's going to be this morning. What time is it? 5 to 11. If you hear stuff sloshing around, that's my water. I've got a big bottle of water beside me. Anyone gonna cross? No? I like to let people cross, especially when it's raining, because it always dawns on me that they're stood there in the rain and you're sat here in a nice warm car. So
I think once you're into them, you're into them.
yeah, it's fairly busy. There's one of the band members from Madness. Or was it Bad Manners? Do you remember them? If you're British. I don't know how popular they were abroad, but I never liked them, to be honest, but I always found them to be far too vulgar. That was town. Fairly busy. Let's go out Red Truth and have a little gander. I think this video is going to be around 25-30 minutes long. Not the usual jaunt down to Portreath, because to be honest it isn't fabulous weather and Portreath will be a bit of a ghost town. Or ghost village. Portreath a village or a town? I'd say it's a large village. Oh, I hope she's going down to Tucking Mill. She's driving very, very, very slow. Oh look, sun! Voice went then. Oh look, sun! I'll go right and you go left. There you go. There you go. And get in before this little car. Zipping around here. Lights change green when I get there. It'd be lovely. If I creep up to you, if I creep up on the lights, I don't think they've seen me yet. Well, it's still early on, but I hope wherever you are, you're having a cracking day. My stomach is getting better, so I'm hopefully going to have a better day than yesterday. My God, I don't know. I might have pulled a muscle. I don't know. Such as the rigours of age. Isn't it great growing old? Well, older. I'm not old. Oh my God. I was going to do, well, not I was going to post a video that I did earlier in the week, but I couldn't because I kind of got halfway through it, well, most of the way through. I was on my way down to Portreath, and you know, on my videos, I don't like to swear, I don't like to cuss, because I know that children might be watching. What's going on here? So anyway, I saw an old friend's mum, who I thought probably had passed a long time ago. It was one of my best friends, so it was kind of like, oh my God, you know, but it wasn't quite as ear friendly as that. It was, oh my F, that's, I won't say her name, but that's, I thought she was no longer here, but you know, and I saw her, and then I realised, yeah, I can't use that. I mean, I suppose I could have found a way of bleeping it, but then that suggests that I swore, and I just don't want to do that on my videos. You know, I'm like everybody. I do swear every now and then. I mean, some people I know, God, they swear like pirates, but yeah, it's not really needed on the video. I mean, you see it all over YouTube. There's one guy I watch, and I recommend you watch him actually, Caspersite. He's really good, but he swears a lot. But yeah, old Ben, he's up at Newquay, he is, and he does these reaction videos to like spooky videos and stuff, and UFO videos. He's really fun to watch. I'd go and give him a look. He's another Cornish boy. Yeah, Caspersite. Give him a look. Don't know, what are you thinking of this changed camera view? You digging it? And yes, I did say, are you digging it? I'm trying to be down with the kids. I don't even think kids say that anymore. I remember a while ago, I was walking back from the shop, and some kid, he walked past me. He can't have been no older than 8, and he went, "You all right, bruv?" What? What? Am I okay, bruv? Innit? Well, this would be nice if the sun stayed. Ooh, the sun's getting stronger. Nice. Oh, it's so nice to come out to your car in the morning and know that it's actually going to start. Because before, what I was doing is I was having to take it out every other day just to keep the battery charged, which, if you don't need to go anywhere, is a bit of a pain, you know. But you know, my car's of the age now where stuff from the factory that it came from the factory with is started to burn out. Like the battery needed replacing. When I got it, it had 26,000 miles on the clock, so it needed new brakes all around, so they had to be done, and 2 front tyres. But yeah, since then I'm a firm fan of Toyotas, you know. Trying to find an interesting vector to enter Redruth. So it's an overly complicated way to explain that, but ooh, I don't know why I'm smelling it here, but I can smell the furnace. Oh, gingerbread. Back there's a big factory. They make biscuits, all types of biscuits. Oh, today they're making gingerbread. Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision. Try them on these drains here, I hit them every time. Oh, green light, green light, green light, come on. Stay green, 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 stay green. Thank you. Lovely. I wonder where she was going then. That'll be the next thing. When the front brakes do wear low, because it's not good to let them wear out on a car, but when they get a bit thin on the material, I'll replace them, and I'll make sure that the mechanic uses copperise or copper grease on the back of the brake pad. Campy, my god, that Campy's got a big forehead. Wow. I take it that's where they sleep. I know what way I'll go in, a slightly different way. We won't do Mount Ambrose this time. I saw that bald foodie guy again. You know that one? Hello! Just been to the shops. And he reviewed Cornish pasties. Oh my god. What he unwrapped from the wrapper. Because this guy's, I think this guy's in Yorkshire, but I think he bought Ginsters or Ginsters or whatever you call it, and two other brands that I don't remember, but they're tiny little things about the size of my hand. I think one of them had peas inside a pasty. That's sacrilegious. Anyway, I took all of my strength not to write anything down in the comments. Not nasty, but just informing. I'm not sure what his name actually is, but informing him if he wants a proper Cornish pasty, come to Cornwall, or at the very least, because seeing as Cornwall's a long way away from Yorkshire just for a Cornish pasty, go to his local bakery. You know, don't go to your supermarket and get one, because they are absolutely rubbish. I mean, I've got to admit, look, I call it a funny shaped pie and not a pasty. I don't mind the taste of Ginsters, but it's just not a pasty. I think we'll take the exit by Aldi into Redruth. Load of roadworks here. And now everybody wants to come this way. Wonder what they're doing here. So yeah, there's unfortunately, for some of you probably thinking fortunately, there's only going to be one video this week, but I just want to let my belly get better. So I mean, I have been eating, there's nothing wrong with my appetite. I mean, actually, I am wondering if it is IBS and I've just not pulled a muscle. I mean, I don't know. You know, it's not like I'm out every day playing basketball and jumping around, you know. Right, well, go this way. Take a left there, you head up to a place called NY Motors. It's where you can rent out vans and stuff like that, and they do body repair and all, and one of my old friends works there. Best body repair guy in the land. He can take a panel that's ruined and he can make it look as good as new, showroom new. Just a little bit of smeary on my windscreen. If I was coming through on the video, sorry guys, I thought I'd given it a really good clean. I bought this multi-surface cleaner from Halfords. If you're not British, that's like a car place, you know. And it's Armour All, so it's a good brand. You know, you can do your windscreen, your plastics on the outside, your paintwork. Don't think it does alloys. Oh God, you're being optimistic, aren't you? I mean, the blue Skoda could have moved back a little bit. Well, the ideal thing would be to stay out and guide him back. No, we're cancelling that one. Okay. I mean, you could have gotten in there, it's just your approach was a bit shallow. Yeah, just go into the car park. It's only a quid. Right. Don't know why I've taken on a Yorkshire accent. My dad was from Lancashire. Hustle and bustle. Do you know what I think we'll do? I do this every time, don't I? My mind ticks as I'm videoing and thinking, how can I make this a little bit better? How can I, you know, not give them their money's worth. These videos are free to watch, but how can I make it worth their watch? So what I'm going to do is we're going to go out this way, and speed bumps. And he looked very angry with himself, didn't he? And we never come this way. For a second I thought, they haven't changed this one way, have they? Until I see all the cars pointing my way on the left there. they're red, so hopefully by the time we get there, yeah, I'll end the video at 4 lanes. And if you're not familiar, guys, 4 lanes is, you know, on my videos, the local videos I do, there's that mast on the big hill, the cairn. God, this guy ain't hanging around, is he? That's 4 lanes up there. Or as we know it around these parts, the people with their head in the clouds. So I'll end the video up here. It's not far away. I mean, as you can see, half of the mast is in the clouds. I had a mate that worked for a local electrical company. He used to have to go up that. Yeah, not for all the tea in China. What happened with the girl that lived up here? If you're watching, hello Joe. Hope you're doing well. I used to come up here on my step through 90. It's a motorbike. It's 90cc thingy. Didn't have any baffles in it, so you'd hear me before you'd see me. And it was some guy coming on a Harley Davidson, look, and then I'd come around this corner on this little 90cc. Welcome to Carnbray. Is it Carnbray? Yes, but it is 4 lanes. So yeah, let's lower it down a little bit. It's quite good timing actually, because I think the heavens are about to open up in a minute. And this is 4 lanes. There's not a lot here. There's a pub, a shop, I'd say garage. Is there a garage here? I haven't been along this part for quite a while. There used to be. I'm sure there used to be. No, it looks like the garage is gone. If there ever was one. Oh no, look, there it is. Oh, they're on the right. Yeah, that's it basically. It's a village on a hill. You'd blink and you'd miss it. We take a right here and then we come down the side of the cairn. We can nip in here quickly. There's the bin man. You're coming this way. Is that my neighbour? Nah, he works for Coastline. Every Coastline van I see, I'm looking in to see if it's him. Like, ooh. You can tell we're up high because my ear just popped. I don't know if you, any of you, well, obviously a lot of you are familiar with this area, but there's new housing estate on the right here. Let's see if I can get past him. Yeah, here's a new housing estate on the right here. They knocked this up quick. Bray Rise. They got that right. Rise! Right, really nice view just over the hill here. Glad it actually isn't foggy so we can see it. It's even better on a sunny day. I was cycling up one day to see my girlfriend, Jo, the girl I told you about, on my mountain bike. Got halfway up this hill and there's a BMW spinning on its roof. I'd guess that it had just happened. There was two like young guys in there looking a bit bewildered. There was damage to the hedge, so I'd guess they'd got up too fast and just hit the hedge and rolled it. I kind of like stopped, said this stupid word, you know, everybody said, "You alright?" And the guy goes, yeah. And then I just cycled off. You know, what was I, 17, 18? What am I going to do? Shall I flip your car over for you, mate? Back in the day, back in my day, back then, there was a lot of kind of skipping round the law, getting yourself a flash car and just hoping that they don't catch you, and, well, a flash fast car. But usually these flash fast cars were of the older type. You know, and then later on, when they could afford it, they'd take their test, you know. I didn't do it that way. I was a good boy. I actually didn't pass my test till I was 23. Quite late. I mean, I could drive a car quite a while before then, but I wasn't doing what these young boys were doing. Let's just say that. So coming down the side of the car, and oh god. And this will bring us out near Tesco's. So yeah, I'm sorry guys that I did say I was going to go mullion, get out of the car, walk down to the harbour and do that, but really just, I'm not in it today. I wanted to do a video still, I love doing this, but going all the way out there, you know, it's, how far away is it from here? It's about 20 miles away. You know, it's a bit torturous operating your clutch and your brake when the stomach hurts. You know, your stomach hurts when you move your legs. I actually might go home. Well, might go home. I've got to go home. Where else am I going to go? God, I'm going to go home, and I might try a fried egg sandwich Nice and gentle on the old tummy. And change. Change. Thank you. So yeah, I don't know if there's any gamers out there that actually play this game, but I play DayZ a lot. Not Daisy as in the girl's name, but DayZ or Daisy. Next week we're getting our new map. Woo! Can't wait for that. And yes, I am a child, I'm a big kid. Actually, we always go back this way. I'm gonna change my mind. I am. Dagnamit. Or dagnamit, something like that. I'm going down here. And then I'm gonna go down here. Now this is a road that could do with some resurfacing. I mean, look at this bit down here, look at that. That's a road surface, believe it or not. Now we're going to go down here, and then we can go past Morrison's. Oof. You know, not that I've been twice, I think, at least once. But I can't remember what the roads of London were like. I mean, at the time I was a little kid. I didn't really take much notice. But are they as bad as what they are down here? If any of you live in London that are watching? I imagine they have to be, the amount of heavy traffic. It's just, you know, do they get serviced as much? Well, I was going to say as often as ours, that's not very often. Do they get serviced often? Oh, he's learning. Get them up and down my road all the time. It's nice that another truck driver let him out. Barbarian. Oh god, that hurt my stomach when I did that. Ow. Just get past Morrison's and then I'll end the video. Till next week. I mean, if we do have a cracking day Thursday, Friday, I don't think we're gonna, but I will come out and do a video because I don't want to waste the weather. But there it is, guys. There's the local video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please, if you'd like the video, maybe subscribe and check out my other videos. Take care of yourselves, guys. It's a wacky world out there, getting wackier by the minute. So look after yourselves, and until next time, see you again. Cheers, guys.